Yeah, man. Ja, man. Ja to the man. Straight to the motherfucking photon. You dig that? Supreme rise to everybody on the up spiral out this jump. You dig that? You get it, dig that? I just want. I'm laying in the car shit right now. It's all rainy morning and shit, but it's all good. I got the sun in me, fam. I got the sun in me, fam. Hey, the beard dread, the braids and shit. They gonna come back sooner than soon. You know what I'm saying? Um, what I about to say? Oh, I want to talk about this extremist shit. Like it's a damn. I got bit on my shit last night. Fucking no CMs and shit. Damn bitch. Anyway, um, damn. All right, everybody, we gotta stop looking for this Jesus and shit. We gotta ain't nobody gonna save you. You know what I'm saying? It's a whole lot of like new souls just drowning in these waters, and they looking for somebody to save them. You know what I'm saying? They learn how to swim, and they think that the motherfucker who taught them how to swim is gonna pull them up out of the water and like stay beside them until they get to the shore. And I'm like, nigga, that's why they taught you how to swim. So you can go fucking swim. But anyway, nah, it's like people like on this whole book shit and get into the whole ancient religion shit, on some Egypt shit, and on some, you know what I'm saying? Then you got motherfuckers on the ancestor tip. Oh, it's about the ancestors. I am the ancestors and shit. I'm this motherfucker that was here. Like, bruh, like how I'm feeling, I'm like, fuck. Not like, no, I'm not saying fuck the ancestors, but we should be out here like, bro, like, nigga, I'm here right now. Like, I don't give a fuck about an ancestor that was here millions and thousands of years ago that said they did some shit. You get what I'm saying? Because I'm not living for them. I'm living for me. You know what I'm saying? And even if I am them or I am a motherfucker that's been here reincarnating, you know what I'm saying? What I know is the case. Um, Even with that realization, we shouldn't be sitting there doing it in the name of another motherfucker, because that's not how they did it in the first place. They did it because they was like, nigga, I'm the shit. I'm king around this bitch, and I'm a motherfucking turn shit up in here real quick. You know what I'm saying? And we looking after them for that, saying that, ooh, I'm gonna act like them. But they didn't say, I'm gonna act like them, or I'm gonna wait for them, or I'm gonna motherfucking do this because they did it. Like, no, nigga, you tap in. You all are a medium for the non-physical that's coming into this physical. You know what I'm saying? Through your vessel vehicle. You dig that? So when it come to translating this energy and bringing forth the ancient or the supreme presence on the planet, it's not like it's you gotta bring that shit in here, and you can't just be out here looking to soak it up through other motherfuckers. You know what I'm saying? It's gonna make you weaker. You dig that? That's the whole swimming thing I'm talking about. Like, it's like learning how to swim and then sticking with that motherfucker, holding on to his shoulder till you get to the shore, so he can swim you back. But you know how to swim, so you should be swimming, bitch. But nah, like also, it's man, it's I'm gonna say it again. You gotta break down your body and rebuild your body. Motherfuckers might be finding it hard to fast or hard to only eat fruit. Fruit don't fill me up. I had a DM and shit the other day. Nigga was like, man, fruit just don't fill me up, bro. I be trying to go plant based. Like, like I could make a lot of videos, but it would be me regurgitating the same shit I've been saying for years. Like, I don't really, I don't really want to do that. I mean, I might end up doing it, but it's just like, bruh, like that's why I be chilling. And well, yeah, I'm gonna just finish this statement first, cause you got me wanting to bounce around in this bitch like that damn bouncy ball. You gotta break down your body. Your cells are built off of the bullshit you've been eating. So when you start eating good shit, your cells are no longer getting the nutrition that they used to getting. So they're dying. And you got whole new cells being born and rebuilding their self off of the new good shit you eat. You're gonna keep feeling hungry and hungry and hungry and hungry and hungry because you're not giving your cells what they're used to getting. So they're never getting nutrition. You know what I'm saying? But the new cells, they getting motherfucking what they need to get, and you just gotta keep eating good shit. Keep loading yourself up with roots, motherfucking veggies and shit, beans and all that shit, and fruit. You know what I'm saying? Just in abundance. Keep stuffing your motherfucking self until that shit go away. And then you gonna find it real easy to motherfucking fast and only eat one meal a day. Only eat some fruit during the day. You know what I'm saying? Or like just drink water. Like it's gonna get way easier to manage your body and the fasting and all that shit once you really dedicate to rebuilding your body and building that motherfucker back up. And you should be losing weight. All these vegan plant-based motherfuckers out here thicker than a motherfucking Snicker and shit. I'm like, shorty, that's not your body build. You know what I'm saying? We not built to be fat. You know what I'm saying? I mean, I can see a female having a little extra meat on that thing, you know what I'm saying? But that's okay. That's okay. You know what I'm saying? But no, their bodies is literally built to be, storing more fat because they gotta have babies and shit, So they real creation of this motherfucker. You dig that? So I mean, it go a little different for the females, I guess, but still, you shouldn't be motherfucking. You should be losing weight. And also, I wanted to say, damn, what was the point I was gonna bring up? Um, uh, shit. And I only got 7 minutes and 27 seconds right now. Ain't that a bitch? Ain't that a bitch? Can I get a you get me? I just want to say the whole extremist thing. Like you got people that's out here like, oh, I am this motherfucker reincarnated. Like you just gave away all your power. Like talking about I am this thing and I am a beast or I'm this fucking demon or fucking. And motherfuckers be on the dark side like a motherfucker now too. Like everybody ain't even tripping off being an angel. Motherfuckers want to be a motherfucking demon and a dragon and a motherfucker. I mean that's been the case. I've seen this the whole time. You know what I'm saying? But it's just different stages, and we gotta realize we can never just be staying attached to these energies and shit. Cause you are the bad motherfucker. You dig that? I'ma be the motherfucker that motherfuckers come in this zone and be like, damn, that's how Jamal did it and shit. I'm gonna go ahead and do this like that. Like, and then I'm gonna turn around and smack your dumb ass and be like, no, nigga, I showed you how to get it. Now go get it in your way. You dig that? Better than me. Like, we gotta keep stepping up. Can't be stepping to the side with it, can't be side stepping and shit. But y'all